I don't care what they think about me, it's alright. They'll get it one day. 'Cause I love you and I follow you. You are my life. And I will read my Bible and pray. Come on, from the front to the back, side to side, it's time to jump. Go! I don't care what it costs anymore, 'cause you gave it all and I'm following you. And I don't care what it takes anymore. No matter what happens, I'm going your way. 'Cause I love you and I follow you. You are my life. Well, I will read my Bible and pray. I will follow you. Don't take now, all day.
Oh yeah, you can't get this. Your mama likes water. Dave, you ready? Yeah, get out here. You can't handle me. Oh man, that's a foul, man! What do you want? What are you doing here?
Hi, Dad. I just want to, give this moment to say thank you. I appreciate everything that you have done for us. Most of all, without you, I would not have had any guidance in this life. And you have been the perfect example to follow. I've always just wanted to follow your footsteps. And without you, I would not know God, and you have brought that into my life. And I just want to, really gratefully thank you for being my dad on this Father's Day.
I
want to take this moment to congratulate all the fathers. Luôn nghiêng về lưu hàiส่วนใหญ่ที่มันจะรอแล้วมันก็หายแล้วต้องพออยู่สิ่งที่ชมตัวเยอะแล้ววันนี้chỉลองจะช่วยวันนี้เดี๋ยวเราจะจ่อเลยหายรู้หายอยู่ยังจวนเราจะได้ใช่ไหมอยู่จวนป้าเดี๋ยวมันจะได้ใช่ไหมอยู่ช่วยลองเชียร์เดี๋ยวนู้นนั่นนู้นอยู่เอาหน่อยสิรู้อยู่ที่ชมตัวเชียร์ต่อเดี๋ยวป้าอยู่ที่ชมตัวI'm very blessed to wish her both Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Đức cha, lúc chạy ở nhà chỉ nấu là trong xe tiêu của châu có thấu và thứ ba tối nay cháu tú ở nơi tàu của chị là số lần số tu có nó ai nhớ rộng và lời trong nơi họ tàu đó cả của tụi một chị là nhà toàn đây
nhớ rộng của chị quý chị lo lên nào quý chỉ tao hãy lo lù hãy tiếp cuộc lúc co liền thọ chị để chị cụ chuyện trốn nó cụ sai đó co thì cụ lúc co ấy vào cho đấy vào trái ca vào đó đó cụ Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Okay. I just want to let you guys know. Happy Father's Day.
Ever since I was born, I did not know my father. I don't know who he is, how he looks like. But I want to wish those who have a father, Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Hi, Dad. I know that you're not here today, but I just want to wish you just a Happy Father's Day. May the Lord just bless you. Thank you for just always encouraging us and just being there for us when we are in need of you and so forth. Thanks, Dad. We love you.
That's it.
After we loved you, it was really
Happy Father's Day. Yeah! Okay. Yeah.
Danny, perfect, Kenny. Perfect.
Like that.
Perfect.
Cut! Stand back, Marquez. Okay.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Happy
Father's Day.
Alright, let's do it.
Wait, get it, wait.
Okay?
One, no, just Tommy. All right. Action. We'll take it.
Good